Hello and welcome to our channel where we help you make smart investment decisions. In today's video, we're going to talk about a unique investment opportunity that you may have never considered before: investing in ships. If you're curious about the potential profits and risks of maritime investment, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of investing in ships. Step 1. Understanding the maritime industry. Before you start investing in ships, it's important to understand the maritime industry. This industry involves the transportation of goods and people by sea. It's a massive industry that accounts for about 90% of global trade. Knowing the basics of the industry will help you understand the potential risks and returns of investing in ships. Step 2. Choosing the type of ship to invest in. There are many different types of ships, including tankers, cargo ships, and cruise ships. Each type of ship has its own unique risks and returns. For example, investing in a tanker may offer higher returns but also comes with the risk of environmental disasters. On the other hand, investing in a cruise ship may be less risky but also may have lower returns. Step 3. Finding a reliable broker. When investing in ships, it's important to work with a reliable broker. Look for brokers who have experience in the maritime industry and have a proven track record of success. A good broker can help you navigate the complexities of maritime investment and make informed decisions. Step 4. Conducting your research. Before investing in a ship, it's important to conduct thorough research. Look at the ship's history, its current condition, and its future prospects. You should also consider the shipping company that owns the ship and its financial stability. Step 5. Evaluating the potential returns. Like any investment, investing in ships comes with potential returns and risks. It's important to evaluate the potential returns based on the ship's age, condition, and future prospects. Consider factors like the ship's cargo capacity, the cost of maintenance, and the demand for the ship's services. Conclusion. Investing in ships is a unique investment opportunity that may not be for everyone. However, if you're interested in the maritime industry and willing to put in the time and effort, it can be a profitable investment. Remember to choose the type of ship carefully, work with a reliable broker, conduct thorough research, and evaluate the potential returns before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped you understand the step-by-step process of investing in ships. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to answer them. Don't forget